And you'll go into a silo, which is the framework created for the women, you won't be able to grow. The world is changing, the business dynamics are changing. Today we have machine learning, we have
heard about breaking the glass ceiling, but you have actually done that, and not only that, you have chalked out a pathway for all of us here, not only girls, boys as well, to break whichever glass ceiling that is hindering our path. So,
the success path does not recognize, as I said, the next is courageous, then you have to create a parity, environment of parity. So the build parity to demand parity. This is, I think I have already explained how it is to be done, and it's not an easy job, it is a very, very difficult one. And I'm sure over the time this has become much more smoother than what it was, and it should be furthermore. And the collaboration is the key. The business is actually a complex area of complexities, where everyone has to work together to get the right product and the value-added products. So you need all. You won't be able to get your job done. And the output in the business is the main thing, and the output in a shortest possible time. The quality output in a shortest possible time makes the business more successful. So collaboration should be there. And finally, what is my thought process to all of you again? My final thought would be, as you move forward, remember that you are not just the future, you are the present. Your voices matter, your ideas are valuable, and your potential is limitless. So dear girls and boys, dare to dream and dream big, and never let anything dim your light. The world is yours to conquer. Why not you are going to conquer? There will be no second chance in the life. And I wish all of you the very best in your personal and professional lives. So, explore the world, enjoy the life, and see the bigger picture. Thank you once again. Thank you very much. आज इंटरनेशनल वुमेन डे है 2025, एंड मेरे को ये दिस इंस्टीट्यूट इनवाइट किया गया हुआ है, एंड आई एम थैंकफुल टू देम. एंड आप लोग जानते हैं कि IIT खड़गपुर में 17,000 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, जिसमें 20% वुमेन है. सो आज का दिन हमारी कंट्री बहुत डेवलप किया गया हुआ है, बहुत जगह में इंस्टीट्यूट में डेवलप किया गया. इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम, स्कूल, कॉलेज, बैंक्स, एवरीवेयर, सब जगह में, इवन इंडस्ट्रीज ऑल्सो. आजकल हमारी डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज़ में बोर्ड मेंबर्स भी हैं. मैं IIT खड़गपुर को थैंक्स देती हूँ. दे हैव ऑर्गेनाइज दिस प्रोग्राम सो ब्यूटिफुली, एंड द स्टूडेंट्स, फैकल्टीज, ऑल ऑफ देम आर देयर. एंड दिस ग्रेट मैसेज टू ऑल ऑफ देम इज़ दैट द country, if a country has to grow, it requires the women participation equally in all spheres of life. And this is very much important, very much required for the countries who are developing, and India is one of them. So we have developed, but a long way to go for our country. And I think IIT Kharagpur has taken a big leap on this to make to make the people, students who will be the future tomorrow, to make them sensitized, essentially required, because if I sensitize the future generations, that will give a big leap to the growth of the country. And my thanks to IIT Kharagpur that they are campaigning this particular International Women's Day all over the students. So that's a great leap and great job they are doing. Thanks to IIT Kharagpur, and thanks to IIT Kharagpur to invite me here.
Madam, what do you say about women's empowerment in India?
India's women empowerment, India's women are, is already empowered, because we have our Prime Minister, which is a woman. Now the President is a woman. But the fact remains, it is in the top leadership, but we need further empowerment in the ground level, middle level, and the industry leadership level, which is where we are lacking. So to improve upon those areas, we need more leaders in the industry, more leaders in the boards, more leaders in the mid-level and the ground level, and they should be so empowered so that the development in the industry also takes place. Ultimately, it is the industrial growth which makes the country grow, and we have enormous power within the women, and that should be tapped and that will give a big energy to the country.
मैम आपका नाम क्या है?
My name is Shukla Mistry. I am former Director Refineries of Indian Oil Corporation Limited, and currently I am Chief Operating Officer of HPL, Haldia Petrochemical Limited.